बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। स्टार्टिंग विद नेम ऑफ अल्लाह विच इज स्पेशली मर्सीफुल एंटायरली मर्सीफुल। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स। अ मैट्रिक्स obtained by changing the rows into the columns or to the columns into the rows of a matrix is called transpose of matrix. Let's have an examples. A is a matrix containing two rows and two columns. By changing the rows into the columns, we will get A transpose is equal to 2 3 and 2 3. So this result matrix is the transpose of A. Let's have a second example. B containing two rows and three columns. Now taking the transpose of B, we will have 1 2 3 by changing row into column. 4 5 6. So it is the transpose of B. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.